Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transcribe your interviews in a way that won't break the bank using the OpenAI Whisper API, and then analyze them in NVivo 14. These days, many subscription-based AI transcription tools can get really expensive, especially if you're working with large amount of data. So with Whisper, for example, I was able to transcribe 18 one-hour interviews for only $7. And that's considerably lower amount of money that I spend, for example, on Otter AI. Plus, a lot of these services only support English, while Whisper offers multiple languages, and here they are. You can check them on OpenAI documentation. So if you are conducting interviews in other languages, so not in English, Whisper could be actually a great option for you. So let's dive into how you can use Whisper. Whisper is actually by itself a powerful speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. It can transcribe audio into text across several languages, not only English. However, one thing to keep in mind is that audio files need to be less than 25 megabytes in size. So basically, if your file is larger, you need to split it up into smaller segments. First thing first, head over to OpenAI and sign up for API key if you don't have one yet. You'll need this key to access the Whisper transcription service. Once you have your API key, you'll need to either export it as an environment variable or directly input it in your script. And in my case, I already put it into the environment variable, so I won't have it here. But if you don't know how to put this API key into the environment variables, what you can do is in this line that says client equals OpenAI, inside of the brackets you put API underscore key equals and then put your API key there. So once you have set it up, you can send your interview audio files to the Whisper model for transcription. And here's a simple Python script that shows how to do it. And it also requests the timestamps to make your data analysis easier. Here I chose timestamp granularities to be segment. The other option is word, but I think word is too granular, basically. It will make everything look like closed captioning. So you can stop this video and copy the script, and the script will send your audio file to Whisper API and then return a detailed transcription with timestamps, which will be useful later for syncing it with NVivo. So when you run the transcription, we can expect the output to look something like this. The output includes the transcribed text, then it also detects the language, then the breakdown of the audio segments, and each segment is given its start and end time, etc., etc. In this example is just a short audio in Japanese which I prepared for this tutorial. And then next we are going to convert these timestamps into more readable hour, minute, second format, so to make this transition for NVivo much easier. Now that we have our transcription with timestamps, we can process the data and convert the timestamps to this hour, minute, and second format, and prepare the text to import for NVivo 14. And here you can see the Python code how to do this. You can again stop the video and copy this code to do it yourself. What this code does, it processes the Whisper transcription, converts the timestamps to this hour, minute, second format, and then saves the result as a TXT file. And now this file is actually ready to be imported into NVivo as transcription. And just as an example, each segment or this file looks something like this. You have a timestamp, and then on the new line you have the segment itself, and then you have an empty line, and then this process repeats again and again. Now let's import both the transcription and the original audio into the NVivo 14 for analysis, and this is how you do it. First, just open your NVivo and create a new project if you haven't done this already. Now you need to go to import an audio and choose the same audio file that you used for transcription, and then put this file into your NVivo. Next, go into this import tab and then files, and then add transcript rows. And this is how you will actually import your transcription into NVivo together with your audio. たとえ日本語で話せば、このトランスクリプションサービスとかわかるのかなどうかという目的でここで日本語で話す。And there you have it. So with Whisper AI, it's quite easy and cheap to transcribe all your interview audios. And that's all for today. Bye.